Hi friends, today I am going to explain about structure of Java program. In this, every program needs a packages. The packages are accessed by the import, like import java.io.star. What is the java.io.star is? It is the inbuilt package. In this packages, with this using of this IO packages, we can do the input-output operations. So the next, we can every Java programs combination of classes as class and methods. So here is the one class with the name of main, and in this class there is so many methods. Which method we want to use, that method we can use. But most of the important thing is every program starts from main method in Java. So what is the main method? How is it? Here we will see. And methods having the arguments. The arguments are string args. In this method, in this program, how to get the output. System.out.println. Ln uses for new line purpose. Print is used to print the what we given, and ln is used to new line. Hello world. So there is mostly common thing is being syntax errors. If we don't given the semicolon in the statements, what will happen? We will see now. It is generating syntax error. It is a syntax error, semicolon expected. So what will happen after semicolon given? Program is executed successfully. So in this program, I will explain one more thing also. That is comments. How to create the comments by using the slashes. This is comment. What will happen if we run after giving this comment? Program didn't get affected. What is the use of comments is when we write the large programs in the Java, there is some explanation is there. With the explanation is given by comments. With the comments, which program is having with the comments, there's a good explanation is there. Easy to understand. Why? Because comments gives the proper information about what they are doing in this program. That is the use of comments, and it is also essential for good programming. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.